Designing a logo. It sounds simple, but it's a journey filled with challenges. Where do you start? What colors do you choose? How can you make a logo that stands out, yet stands for something? In a world where every brand competes for attention, your logo is more than just a graphic. It's your identity. The problems begin with a blank canvas, the intimidation of the empty space, the overwhelming choices of fonts, icons, and styles. That is why in this video I will gonna show you how to create a logo with the AI tool. Go to smashinglogo.com. Then in the prompt bar, write your channel name and click on Generate. Here are the logos that you can choose for your business. If you want more, click on Add More. It will generate some more logos for you. If you like a logo, click on Preview and edit it again. Click on it. You can change the name and icon. You can buy this logo, or you can capture a screenshot of it. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment down below.